Just look at this bench. It decides how long you stay. Now look around. Benches divided by armrests. Plazas engineered for silence. Transit hubs designed for constant motion instead of lingering. This isn't just hostile architecture, it's something larger. Cities are designed not simply to move people, but to keep them moving. Today, we explore how urban planning suppresses connection, normalizes passivity, and pushes society across the behavioral threshold. Isolation isn't an accident. It's built into the blueprint. Consider London's Camden Bench. It isn't merely a place to sit. Its shape discourages sleeping. Its smooth surfaces prevent skateboarding. Its design makes it difficult to leave belongings behind. One object quietly discourages multiple forms of lingering. Elsewhere, spikes have been installed beneath sheltered entrances to prevent anyone from lying down. Leaning rails replace benches, allowing people to wait but not comfortably remain. Many of these designs are justified as improving safety, cleanliness, or efficiency. Whatever the intention, the effect is remarkably consistent. Each decision appears minor on its own. Together, they create an environment where lingering feels unnatural and gathering becomes increasingly difficult. This is an invisible architecture of control, shaping behavior without ever issuing a command. The most powerful forms of control rarely feel like control. These design choices reinforce one another. Imagine the last unexpected conversation you had with a stranger. It probably wasn't planned. It happened because both of you stayed. Now imagine the same place, without benches, without places to pause, without any reason to remain. Replace them with leaning rails. Install surveillance cameras. Fill the space with traffic noise. Every pathway is designed to keep people moving. Without banning conversation, the environment quietly discourages it. Some public spaces even use speakers or high-frequency sound devices to prevent certain groups from remaining for long. No fences, no confrontation. Simply an environment that encourages everyone to move along. Modern transit hubs follow the same logic. They maximize efficiency, not pause. There is little room to stop, reflect, or gather. Public spaces stop becoming places where people meet. They become places people simply pass through. Eventually, people stop noticing what's missing. Change like this rarely announces itself. It becomes normal first. The behavioral threshold is crossed when environments no longer support spontaneous human connection. People still want to belong. They still hope to meet someone they didn't know yesterday. They simply find fewer places where those moments can begin. The signs are subtle. Empty benches, earbuds instead of conversation, people looking at their phones instead of one another, more people walking alone. Hostile infrastructure doesn't merely reflect social fragmentation, it accelerates it. Eventually, society begins drifting toward Calhoun's behavioral sink, where isolation becomes ordinary and community fades into memory. The consequences reach far beyond architecture. When people no longer gather naturally, collective action becomes increasingly difficult. Protests lose momentum. Community organizing weakens. Chance encounters become rare. The city itself becomes a behavioral firewall, not through visible force, but through accumulated design choices. As opportunities for connection diminish, so do solidarity, resilience, and democratic participation. What is lost isn't merely public interaction. It is society's ability to act together. Architecting apathy is more than an urban trend. It is both a symptom and a driver of a deeper societal decline. If public space no longer encourages connection, we may cross the behavioral threshold without ever recognizing the moment it happened. Every city teaches its citizens how to behave. Every neighborhood begins with strangers who stayed long enough to speak. We need spaces designed for conversation, assembly, and shared experience, not merely for efficiency and control. Because once connection is lost, rebuilding it is far more difficult than preserving it. The behavioral threshold advances wherever connection disappears. No city becomes disconnected overnight. It happens one ordinary decision at a time, until the extraordinary becomes normal. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before you go, take a moment. You can leave a comment in the comments section. Tell us what you've noticed in your city. If you found anything worthwhile, you can like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is Katatu saying so long from Universe 26, the channel at the end of the universe.